Hey, how you doing today? Working here on the Meyer plow, and what you can see here is I have a cap to my plug, and this one's broken off. Some idiot walked past and hit it with something. But what I'm going to do is show you how to fix it. Luckily, I had one of these that was broken, and we saved it. You always save your old parts because you never know what you're going to need. And it's held together by, there's a pin that runs through that hinge. Okay, this one here, I've already pulled it out, and I just punched it out real quick. Here it is. I just punched it right through like that. Okay, tapped it real lightly with a hammer because it's plastic, you don't want to break it. And then I pulled it out with those pair of dikes, right, or side cutters there, pliers, whatever you want to call them. And I'm getting ready to pull this pin out. You can see it right there on the side. See it right there? You just put the piece there, tap it with the hammer. Once she sticks out a little proud, you just pull her with the pliers. Then you replace the other one. Now, here's the other one. And I got everything on here, and it's just going to fall apart like that, and I'm going to throw away that piece. There's no sense saving that. But that's what it's supposed to have there. Nice, huh? Yeah, that's what I thought too. Cool beans. But that should fix really nicely. Alright, there's what it looks like when it comes out. You see the little knurled end? That's the end you want to drive out to. You don't want to drive that all the way through. And it just pulls nice and easy like that. And I take this one, and I take it out to pieces. And this one here, looks like she's going to go right back in. Does she fit? Let's hope she fits, right? And that's how she goes. Wonder if she'll fit like this. That would be nice. Nope, she won't fit like that. But she'll definitely fit like that. And what we do is we just take our pin and stick it right back through. Look how nice that worked, huh? Just give it a little tappy tap with a hammer. Look at that. I think I'm going to pull it out and put that other spring in, because maybe the other one doesn't seem to be as tight. But that's how you do it, right? That'll work. I just want the spring to be a little bit tighter. You can see it's not really hitting right there. And the other spring, see, the spring didn't really match up. See, that one's a little longer. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Alrighty, thanks a lot for watching. Crash Man out.